Welcome to a transformative journey powered by AI and science, where we'll explore how to shift your mindset, habits, and actions to become a winner, not a loser. Let's dive in. Mindset is the foundation of success. A growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through effort, sets winners apart. Meanwhile, a fixed mindset limits potential and fosters fear of failure. AI studies have shown that a growth mindset increases the likelihood of achieving goals by 50%. It's a data-driven strategy for success. Avoid sticking to a fixed mindset that says you can't improve. This limits your potential and keeps you in a cycle of mediocrity. Consider your daily challenges, like learning a new skill at work. A growth mindset encourages you to see mistakes as learning opportunities rather than as reasons to quit. Success is built on consistent daily habits. Winners establish routines that align with their goals, whether it's physical fitness, continuous learning, or strategic planning. AI has analyzed thousands of routines and found that those who adhere to disciplined habits are 70% more likely to achieve long-term success. Avoid inconsistency in your habits. Skipping your routine once can quickly turn into twice, and before you know it, you've lost momentum. Think about your morning routine. By consistently waking up early, exercising, and planning your day, you set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Missing one morning can disrupt your entire day's productivity. Fear and procrastination are barriers that hold many back. Winners acknowledge their fears but push through them. They understand that action, not hesitation, leads to progress. AI suggests that overcoming procrastination can boost your chances of success by up to 60%. Set short, achievable deadlines to keep momentum. Avoid letting fear paralyze you into inaction. The longer you wait, the more intimidating the task becomes. Imagine you have a project due at work. Instead of waiting until the last minute, break it down into smaller tasks and start immediately. This approach reduces anxiety and improves the quality of your work. Your environment greatly influences your success. Winners cultivate positive relationships and avoid toxic environments. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. AI analysis reveals that a supportive social network can triple your chances of achieving your goals. Avoid staying in toxic environments or relationships. They drain your energy and stifle your growth. Think about the people you interact with daily. If your colleagues or friends constantly criticize your ideas, consider finding a mentor or joining a group that encourages your growth. In a rapidly changing world, continuous learning is key. Winners never stop learning and adapting to new challenges, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve. Continuous learners are 5 times more likely to sustain long-term success. Adaptability is your greatest asset. Avoid becoming complacent with your current knowledge. The world is constantly evolving, and so should you. Consider the last time you learned something new. Whether it's a new software tool at work or a personal hobby, continually challenging yourself keeps your mind sharp and adaptable. Winners don't just set goals, they set clear, actionable goals and review them regularly. This keeps them focused and motivated. Data shows that individuals who set specific goals and review them weekly are 42% more likely to achieve them. AI recommends breaking down large goals into smaller tasks. Avoid setting vague goals. Without clarity, your goals become mere wishes and are unlikely to be achieved. When planning your week, don't just aim to get more done. Instead, specify your goals like complete the first draft of the report by Wednesday. Clear goals lead to clear results. Success isn't just about planning, it's about doing. Winners take consistent, deliberate action toward their goals. They understand that progress is made one step at a time. Consistent action guided by data leads to steady progress. AI-driven models suggest that small, regular actions are more effective than occasional big efforts. Avoid waiting for the perfect moment. Perfectionism often leads to procrastination and missed opportunities. If you're thinking about starting a new exercise routine, don't wait for the perfect time. Start with a 10-minute walk today. Small actions build momentum. To recap, winning is within your reach with the right mindset, habits, and consistent action. Let these principles guide your journey to success. Becoming a winner is within your reach. With the right mindset, habits, and consistent action, backed by AI and science, you can achieve your goals. Subscribe for more AI-powered insights and take the first step on your journey today.